Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute, and today the units that we're going to be reviewing is from Bobbi Boss, and this is their M707 Buttercup unit, and I have her in two colors today. I have her in the color copper/burgundy, and I have this one in 3T1B/2736. And you guys, quick backstory, right? I was looking for something similar to this one that I have on. This one that I have on is from Free Choice Equal in the style Willow. I did a review on her a while ago. I'm going to leave the card right here. And I've had this one for over a year now, if I'm correct. So this used to be my everyday wig at some point. Like, this is literally my true on and go wig. I know she's always a look. Like, she always puts me together basically. So this is one of the wigs where I just pop on my head. On days when I don't know what else to wear, I just pop this one on my head and I'm straight out of the house. So I wanted to look for something similar to this, just on days when I want to give this one a rest. I just wanted something full and curly and, you know, like this basically. So I went on a search on YouTube. I said, that's on YouTube, on Google. I went on a search on Google and I found this baby right here. And originally, right, I wanted to do something black. I just wanted like maybe a 1B or a color 2, and you know, just something like I can wear every day basically. But then again, when I searched for some reviews on this baby, I saw these two colors and I couldn't decide which one I wanted to try, and guess who didn't even end up getting 1B. That's the thing with colors. There's just something about colors. Once you start trying out colored units, it will be so hard for you to go back to 1B. So this is what the stock card looks like, and we're going to be trying out the copper/burgundy first. It also comes in other colors as well. It comes in 1B, 2, so many other nice colors. Direct link is going to be in my description box, and we just have the information, we just have the care guide, sorry, at the back as well. And this is what she looks like straight out of the pack. She comes with two combs here, two combs in front, one comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. So we're just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love.
Alright guys, so this is what we have after styling, and you guys, okay, I love the choice of colors in this unit. I was a bit scared when I put her on, I wouldn't even lie, but it ended up turning out really nice, you guys. I really like the choice of colors. I think I already said that. I love the style of the unit as well, but to get her this poofy, you have to run your fingers through it for a while, because I did have to, you know, run my fingers through her to get her poofy. So don't be scared if you put her on at first and she's looking kind of weird. You just have to run your fingers through the curls and then loosen the curls a little bit, and the more you run your fingers through this one, the bigger it gets. So you have to be careful with that. If you don't want her too big, then you probably don't want to run your fingers through her so much. And if you guys can hear background noise, I think it's raining heavily outside, so I'm sorry about that. But anyways, you guys, back to this unit. I'm not mad at all. I actually really like how this color looks on my skin tone. Okay, loving it. And I did experience a bit of shading when I was running my fingers through the curls, but I don't think I really experienced any form of tangling, just a bit of shedding. And this is what we're serving you guys, and I'm really loving this one. She's giving me some nice vintage Afro queen vibes. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and try on the next one. Alright you guys, so this is what we have after styling the second one, and I really like this one too. I'm not mad at her at all. This is actually a gorgeous color too, but I kind of feel like I like the first one, or is it just me? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I feel like I like the first one better on me than this one, even though I'm not mad at this color at all. And for styling, I did pretty much the same thing that I did to the first one. I ran my fingers through the curls, and I did experience shedding the way I experienced with the first one, but definitely nothing too crazy, nothing to worry about. I definitely think they're both worth your coins. If you're looking for something to pop on your head and go, and you're looking to add like a couple of colored Afro wigs into your collection, I feel like this are gorgeous units to try out as well. Direct link is going to be in my description box, and let me know, what team are you on? Are you on team burgundy or you're on team blonde? I feel like I'm on team burgundy today, or maybe pictures will make me change my mind, I don't know, but right now I'm on team burgundy. So let me know, what team are you on in the comment section. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.